Hi everyone, let's see how you can find and download audio driver for ASUS laptop or motherboard. To get started, simply search for MS Info 32 and you'll see system information. Simply click on it. From here, note down the baseboard product, or you can press Ctrl+C to copy this information. Open your browser, press Ctrl+V to paste this information and just include drivers at the end. From the search results, go to the official web page of ASUS that reflects your baseboard product name. Here, you will find the drivers and tools sections. Now, select your operating system from this drop down. Then scroll down the page, you will get the audio driver. Simply download it from here. Once downloaded, extract the contents of the file. Now go to the extracted folder, you will get a setup file. Simply right click over that file and run it as administrator. The driver installation is a two-step process. At first, it will uninstall the current Realtek audio driver if it is installed. And after the uninstallation completes, click on yes to restart your computer for the changes to take effect. After restart, the setup program will run automatically and it will install the audio driver. Once the installation completes, it will ask you to restart your system. Simply click on restart and you are good to go. So thanks for watching. Please feel free to subscribe and support the channel if you found the content helpful. Thank you.